What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Magnetic here. Let's jump right into it. Here we have an American Dryer 24. What happened was they said they were smelling gas, like it wasn't starting, it wasn't moving. And that's because it wasn't. What happened is that it has a series of events that happen, right? Once you pay, it goes to the computer, and then the computer goes to the ignition box, and it also goes to a motor relay. As you can see this relay right here. And what happened was the basket wasn't turning at all. So it was either something wrong with the motor or the relay. When I opened up the box, the panel box right here, I found out the motor relay fell apart, right? And it works just like my glove. It's magnetic. What happened is they always have it upside down. You got line 1 and 2, that's the power coming in, and T2 and T1 is the power coming out. What happened is, make sure you turn the power off because there's always constant power here on 220 going here, or it could be 110 relay. This is a 220 relay going down to that motor. Always power here. So 220 here, and then if you notice, you got wires on the side here. The wires on the side here is 24 volt. What happened is when you pay and it tells the motor to run, it hits the 24 volts and magnetize it like a bridge, and it bridges these together. So the power from here can now continue across the bridge to go down to the motor. And that's how the relay works. It has the two 110s on the side as the toll booth or whatever to make sure that the electricity from the top can go down to the bottom like a bridge. So T1, L1 and L2 is line 1, line 2 coming in. T1 and T2 is to the motor. You're always going to have power here. So what you could do is you could also take off these 2 screws, and there's a little push button inside there. You could push the button and see the power, and you can make the motor turn on its own manually, all right? I just wanted to show you guys how the relay works. I wish I could have showed you how to take it apart, but it takes time. But you plug in the wires wire for wire. So you can pull that one out and just go wire for wire, or take a picture. But it's best to go wire for wire. Sorry to keep repeating myself, but all right, magnetic out.